Hello, my name is Penelope and I'm going to be showing you how to make cute fruits with clay. First, and we'll have a little buddy joining us, my turtle. And look, it's made out of clay. Okay, first we'll be letting it choose the color, and whatever color it is, that's what fruit is going to be. Turtle, which color? It looks like it wants to do green. Okay, so first let's get some green to make our green apple, which is a sour apple, I think. Okay. Okay. Just roll it and put it together. Okay. I'll have to make it a little more big. It almost fell. Okay. Okay. Okay, but okay, phew, I saved it. Okay. Okay, now we will put a little hole here. But why? That is because we have to put that little thing right there. Here. Okay, I think that's good. Now we can do this side of the tool. If you don't have these tools, that's very, very much okay. You can just use your hands. Using your hands is hard, so I recommend you get these tools. Okay. So now that little part is done. We will need to add the stem. So I'll just roll it and roll it and roll it and do this. Now we have our stem. And now we'll add a little leaf. And this. Okay, maybe not a leaf. That's too hard. Actually, I will do a leaf. Like I said, I would already. So I'm gonna do it now. Okay. First we'll do this. Okay, like this. Good. Now, the bottom will be like, the bottom will be like bit into a little. So let me draw like a little space where I want it to be bit into. Like this. So it's a bit into down there. Then I'm gonna add yellow there. Yeah, that's the inside color. Okay. Look, it looks like it's eaten now. But now, the most important part, the smiley. Now, we have to do this. Then we have to do this. And then, see? Now we have to close the eyes. Like this. Like this. Okay, now the most important part, that thing that's happy always has a smiley face. Okay. Right? That's too small. Maybe this. Maybe this would be a good size. This is a good size. Now all I need to do is the little shine in the eyes, so it doesn't look weird. Okay. Okay, after you add those little eyes, we will need to do. We will actually need to do a little more brightness. And here, okay, that looks good. Now, we'll put this in our fruit color.